Hi, families. As we embark on our new distance learning journey together, I just wanted to walk you through some changes that you'll see in especially our virtual classrooms and how to get links and everything. So when you go through your Seesaw, just like you normally would, you will have your virtual classroom. Remember, we will meet every morning at 8:30 a.m. and we'll be online until about 10:30, depending on your schedule, and then we'll have small groups after that. I have a schedule that will be included in this link and also in your email. All right, so when you come into your virtual classroom now, this is what it'll look like. And the changes that you'll see are that we are sharing a virtual classroom with the other first grade teachers. Senor Katie has a mixed class of kindergarten and first grade, and so does Senor Hannah. So we put all of our things together so that we can differentiate and really teach to our strengths. As you will see here, you'll see Miss Kate, and there's the Zoom link. If it has a red square around it, it's always a link. So that will connect you to the Zoom link if you need that. And then down here, you'll see a link to our schedule for small groups. So every week, your child will meet in a reading group for twice a week for 15 minutes. Now, the schedule will be like this, and it will never change unless I let you know. Okay? And then we'll go back. So that is the one change. And then you'll see like the morning message like normal. And then down here, these are the trabajos del dia, or like your jobs that you have for the day. Now, this will not change. This is just a checklist to be like, okay, these are the things that I have to do today. As you'll see, there's no red square, so these are not links. You're going to have to go through the actual slideshow. And then you'll have things like this. So when we're working on words their way, and if you see this seesaw sign like this, that means that there is a assignment in Seesaw linked to this job. Over here, you'll see that there's some of the power words or the snap words that your kids will need, and they are audio recordings, so your kids can listen to them and read them at the same time to really practice those words so that they can continue to grow in their levels and their reading. And then you'll go through, so for example, this is the reading lesson for the day. If you click down over here, you can get the lesson again if you need a reminder. And of course, down here, there is the English lesson as well for parents if you need to support your child. The same can be said for writing. You'll have the teaching points, you'll have the anchor charts, and access to the lessons. So for example, in math, you'll have all this. Now you will have a math wall that'll tell you some of the things that we are working on. And right here is the calendar. So when you see the calendar in the math, you can click on that, and that will be a link to the video recording of the calendar lesson for that day. Then at the very end, you can listen to a story, and you have a checklist at the end to make sure that you've done everything. One thing I did forget is in this math, there is extra practice right here. So that's if you feel like your child needs a little extra push or needs some extra work to do, this is a good place to find it. It's linked, and there are PDFs of things that you can do there. So again, please feel free to email me or text me with any questions or concerns that you have. I am here for you. We'll get through this together, and I look forward to seeing you online.